Hello everyone, this is a very simple test of an NFC Tag sticker, which I have on the back of this little get a free book card here. Let's say that you're at a convention and you're at your table and you have this card here. Someone can basically come up, they can take their phone and they can just scan the NFC tag, and then it can bring them to wherever you want them to go. Let's say get a free book or sign up to your newsletter, whatever. So the technology on the back is this nice little sticker that basically you can peel off and you can put onto maybe a bookmark or a postcard, or, you know, as I have here, just a very simple example of a card. So NFCs are inexpensive and a very simple way to be able to get some automation to come out of, you know, a very little simple sticker. So again, I wanted to share this with you as I thought it would be something fun and exciting for, you know, for all of us to experiment with this year. Thank you.